Hello, once again from Elafonissi Beach, and right now I am on the sandy path that leads towards the actual island of Elafonissi. But the beach, the main part of the beach, is located in that direction. And Elafonissi actually means in Greek the island of the deer, as there might have been some deers here, or I don't know. But yeah, and it is a very characteristic beach with pink and white sand that I don't clearly see right now, but it might be also visible a bit better on the video that you can see, and I'm gonna check it out later. So right now I have walked from the main part of the beach all the way here. As you can see, those people walk by, and it's absolutely amazing. This is episode number 2, part 2 of Elafonissi, and I have spent already 1 hour here, so I have 2 hours left, so I need to use them very wisely. It's beautiful, it's absolutely beautiful. So here on this sandy part over here you can enjoy in the sea, and I'm gonna check that out also as well later at the very end of that island. But it looks absolutely stunning. It is 26th of April today. Right now it is 11:30 a.m. and it is 19 degrees Celsius in the air. And I'm here to enjoy this wonderful beauty of untouched nature. It's absolutely amazing. Brilliant. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, now it's time for the second swim of the day. And let's find some nice warm spots. But the water should be somewhere around 17 to 18 degrees Celsius. And even warmer in the more shallow areas. This looks, breathtaking. There's no words that can describe how happy I feel right now. And especially because my vacation is coming to an end, so I probably saved the best for last. Today is my day 7 of the vacation in Chania, and tomorrow I'm going back to Stockholm, Sweden. Now let's find some more deeper place to take a swim. It sounds that there might be a bit more deeper towards those rocks over there. So let's go there and see. Because here it is very shallow for me. Very good surroundings over here. It feels like you're in heaven, literally. And as it is not tourist season yet, there are not so many people on the beach, and it might be super crowded if you come here in summer. But this is how it will look like if you come here end of April. Indeed. Yes, I really am so happy right now that I booked this tour on my full last day here in Chania. So I'm gonna be here for 3 hours at Elafonissi and then 3 hours at Falasana, and also obviously drive in between, because this is located on the southwest coast of the island and I'm staying on the north part. And it took around 1 hour with the minibus to get here, and quite convenient because it's much better to come with a tour with a with a minibus than with a big bus, because there are fewer people, easier to organize, and yeah, you can visit a lot more. And this was a very interesting tour because it combines both Elafonissi and Thalasana. The other tour, which was about the same price, it only had like 4 hours here at Elafonissi, and then some other monastery things or caves, which I don't really prefer. I would definitely get more time on the beach than to spend some in the mountains. So yes, okay, it's not getting any deeper here, but I'm gonna be taking a swim anyway. So let's then see. Okay, let's then take a swim here, because I don't think it gets any deeper. I'm gonna find a deeper spot later to show you if I can show you. I think there on the open sea it's a bit deeper, towards the other side. Anyway, let's go! Woohoo! Beach adventures with Chris in Elafonissi Beach, the best beach on island of Crete. Huh. Alright, thanks so much for watching this episode, and make sure, because there will be some few more coming in on the channel from Elafonissi. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. See you again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!